Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will explore how to delete a repository on GitHub. First, log into GitHub, go to your profile, select the repository, you want to delete. Go to its settings, scroll down, click on Delete this repository. Then confirm by clicking I want to delete this repository and acknowledge by clicking I have read and understand these effects. Enter the repository name and proceed with the deletion. Enter the password and then confirm. You can see the repository is deleted. You can see the repository is deleted thanks to watch my video.